welcome to this channel, Mathematics for You tutorial. If it is the first time watching, thank you for watching and please subscribe to this channel. Alright, so the topic is fraction. What is fraction? Fraction is a part of a whole. Fraction is a part of a whole. Alright, let me bring it to a real life situation. If you're given an orange, alright, if you're given an orange, okay, that orange is a whole, and you were asked to divide it into 4, okay, and give out 2 to be level 2. Okay, the 2 that you give out is a part of that particular orange. Okay, if they ask you to write it as a fraction, you have 2 over 4. All right, if they ask you to write it as a fraction, you have 2 over 4. Okay, so we'll take examples of fraction. Examples of fractions, you have 1 over 2, 5 over 4, 11 over 50. So these are examples of fraction. These are all examples of fraction. Alright, so fraction has 2 parts. Fraction has 2 parts. Fraction has how many parts? 2 parts. Don't forget, fraction has 2 parts. And they are numerator and what? The denominator. Alright, in this video, we are going to discuss each of these parts. Alright, we're going to discuss each of these parts in this video. We'll take the first one, the numerator. So numerator is the upper number, alright, the upper number of a fraction. Okay, you know what that is up. Alright, the upper number of a fraction. You have this fraction 5 over 4. So what is the numerator there? 5. Okay, so 5 there is the upper number of this fraction. So we'll take the next one, the denominator. Denominator is what? The number that is below the fraction. The number that is what? Below the fraction. So take this example of a fraction. You have 5 over 4 as well. So the denominator there is what? 4. Okay, because 4 is below this fraction. So now give you the types of fraction. So there are essentially 2 types of fraction. Importantly, you have 2 types of fraction. Important. Okay, so they are proper and improper. Okay, so firstly we're going to discuss proper fraction. So proper fraction is a fraction whose numerator is smaller than the denominator. Okay, when you're given a fraction, if the numerator is smaller than the denominator, that particular type of fraction is known as proper fraction. So look at these examples. So you have 5 over 6. Alright, the numerator is 5, the denominator is 6. So this one is what? An example of proper fraction. 12 over 25, 4 over 7. Okay, they are all examples of proper fraction. So the last type of fraction, which is an improper fraction. So what is an improper fraction? An improper fraction is a fraction whose numerator is bigger or greater than the denominator. Alright, whose numerator is what? Bigger or greater than the denominator. Okay, so the examples of an improper fraction. So examples here, you have 13 over 2, 7 over 3, 8 over 5. Alright, these are examples of what? An improper fraction. So whenever you're given a fraction, if the numerator is bigger or greater than the denominator, it means that particular fraction is what? An improper fraction. Right, it means that particular fraction is what? An improper fraction. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to this channel. God bless you. I love you all. See you in the next video.